Welcome back to Escape Camper Life. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Deddle RV lineup, showcasing the latest in Chinese innovation and luxury in the camper market. First up is the Deddle RV UFO, a compact alcove motorhome measuring just under 6 meters in length. Despite its size, the UFO offers a spacious interior, thanks to a rear slide-out that expands the sleeping area. This model comfortably accommodates up to 4 people, making it ideal for couples or small families seeking both mobility and comfort. The UFO is equipped with modern amenities, including a 32-inch smart TV, JBL audio system, Truma air conditioning, and a 700-watt solar system, ensuring a self-sufficient and enjoyable travel experience. Motor1.com. Next, we have the Deddle Carbonic Liner 78, a luxurious motorhome built on the RVer daily chassis. This fully integrated model measures 7.84 meters in length and boasts a sleek, modern design. Inside, you'll find high-quality materials, genuine leather seating, and a spacious bathroom with a separate shower. The kitchen is well equipped with a 2-burner gas hob, induction hob, microwave steam grill combination oven, wine cooler, and a coffee machine lift. Technologically, the Carbonic Liner 78 features an intelligent control system, a 32-inch lift-up TV, and an infinity loudspeaker system, providing a state-of-the-art entertainment experience. Camperstyle.com. For urban adventurers, the Deddle RV URV, or Urban Recreation Vehicle, offers a blend of motorhome comfort and city-friendly dimensions. Measuring under 6 meters, the URV is designed for maneuverability in urban environments while providing essential amenities for travelers. A notable feature is the pull-out kitchen, usable both indoors and outdoors, enhancing flexibility for camping or city explorations. The interior is functional, with the fold-down seating area that converts into a bed, making it a versatile choice for various travel needs. Motor1.com. Lastly, the Easy Tour series introduces the ePro and D-Max models. The ePro serves as an entry-level option with the side slide-out that increases living space, offering high-quality equipment and thoughtful details for a comfortable journey. The E-Max caters to families, providing additional sleeping options and a variable space concept to optimize the living area during the day. Both models are built on the RVer daily chassis, ensuring reliability and performance on the road. Motor1.com. In summary, Deddle RV's 2025 lineup presents a range of options for travelers seeking innovation, luxury, and practicality. Whether you're a couple seeking compact comfort or a family in need of spacious living, there's a Deddle RV model designed to meet your needs. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Deddle RV's latest offerings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things camper life. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next adventure.